Wrap my head around it. World of relief when I woke up in the dark place. Leave with me alive. Wrap my head around it. World of relief. Never leave these eyes. Never leave these eyes. Lights up.
This right here's the ventilation hole. Put this in, gets new cool air in there so that the coals can breathe. Use a hair dryer. Start your fire however you like. I use discount rocket fuel. Just gets the coals going, because I'm bad at starting actual fires, so I cheat. Once this is mixed well enough, it'll light really, really easy with the lighter, and we'll have a coal fire going. So what you're looking at here is a piece of wood that I cut into the shape of the shoe sole that I wanted. You'll see what it looks like after I take it out. But I usually cover it in Vaseline because it's hydrophobic and it keeps it from sticking to the mud, but I just couldn't be bothered. So instead this time I'm going to be cutting it out, just making a thin line in the mud with like a ruler or a knife, so it's not touching the dirt. And I can take it out pretty easily. This next one is of the wood taken out of the mold. You can kind of see how there are these two, I guess I'd call them lumps on the side. That's so there's kind of a channel or a bridge connecting the two main sides of the shoe sole. Alrighty, so 2 hours of my life down the drain for one shoe. Let's hope this goes well. I'm about to pour the molten lead tin alloy, also known as solder, into that little gap in the mud you see right there to make a crappy shoe sole. Just want to make sure it's as good as I can get it. Yeah. Enjoy. This is some cool stuff. So what I do is I lift it up by the top, get kind of like an angle or a spot I can put. Is that right? Okay, it's not about to fall. Get a spot, and then I grab it by the sides, and then actually just kind of pour / lower it in. Ooh, that's bubbling. That's bubbling hard. Come on. Trying to get all of it. Uh-oh. That does not look very good. It's not my best work. Yeah, I didn't pour all of it out. Not all the stuff I put in there actually poured, so it's not a very good looking sole. Still gonna post it anyways. I'll take it out, wash it up, you'll get to see the final result. Guess I'll just redo this later. I always redo the shoe soles, I can never quite get them right. like and subscribe, and I will make a full suit of armor out of titanium. The whole thing, I promise you that. I'm a man of my word. As well as a lightsaber made out of complete aluminum. Okay, bye-bye.